Guardian's Hide Elements in View Protections is a simple and effective tool to communicate to your users on the best practices for the Hide Elements in View Revit command. Hide Elements in View Protections is a rule-based feature that provides the ultimate in customization to prevent elements from being incorrectly hidden within your project models. To start using Guardian's Hide Elements in View Protections, it must first be turned on within the project configuration that is assigned to the project model. As with all project configuration settings, Guardian's Hide Elements in View Protections can be modified on a project-by-project basis within project settings. Under the cog icon is where the Hide Elements in View Protections rule-based settings can be found. In this dialog is the entire list of rules that have been established for the project configuration. The rules presented here are for demonstration purposes and may vary from those established by your firm. Common rule sets examples, as shown in this video, can be found within the resource article on Guardian's website. To create a new rule, simply select a new button and create the rule name. To demonstrate creating a rule is created to prevent the hiding of annotation elements in a view. It is best practice to prefix the rule name with the protection mode. This becomes handy when viewing and sorting all rules within the previous dialog. Much like the rule structure found within Revit's view filter settings, and/or sets and subsets can be established. As shown, an extensive list of conditions are available to create customized rules. In this demonstration, selecting Annotation Category will trigger the rule when annotation elements are selected to be hidden in a view. As with all of Guardian's proactive protections, a monitor, guide, and prevent protection can be applied to each rule in addition to send email and require comment. A custom command message can be created, communicating to the Revit end user why the specific element selected is not a best practice to be hidden in view and best practices around managing visibility settings. Now that the rule has been created, it is important to sort the rule as Guardian will process the rules from top to bottom and stop processing once the condition is met. It is best practice to place the more specific rules at the top and the broader rules at the bottom. Also, if multiple elements are selected to be hidden that meet multiple rules established, the user will get a command message for each rule that has been triggered. To demonstrate the rule in practice, an annotation room tag is selected, and then the Hide Elements command is executed from the Revit ribbon. The command message communicates the best practices around hiding elements in a view. While a single rule can be created to catch all conditions in which hide elements in view should not be used, it is a best practice to create a rule for each specific action. This way, the user knows exactly which process they performed triggered the Guardian command message. Guardian's Hide Elements in View Protections provides almost limitless ways in which you can communicate to your Revit end users on the best practices surrounding the users of Revit Hide Elements in View command.